Webnode Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. Webnode is a website builder that promises an easy, fast, and code-free way to create a professional-looking site. But how does it really stack up? In this honest review, we'll break down its features, pros, cons, and who it's best suited for. Let's dive straight in. Webnode stands out for its multilingual functionality, making it a great choice for users who need to create websites in multiple languages. It offers over 100 responsive templates that adjust automatically to different screen sizes. However, while these templates are clean and modern, customization options are more limited compared to competitors like Wix or Squarespace. You can change basic colors, fonts, and images, but you won't get full design freedom, which could be a drawback if you want a highly unique look for your site. One of Webnode's key selling points is ease of use. It's beginner-friendly with a straightforward drag-and-drop editor that lets you build a website quickly. However, keep in mind that this simplicity comes at the cost of flexibility. For instance, you can't add advanced features like animations or complex design elements. The editor feels a bit outdated compared to more modern builders, but it's sufficient for basic needs like blogs, small business sites, or personal portfolios. When it comes to e-commerce, Webnode is decent, but not the best. You can set up a small online store, manage products, accept payments through PayPal, and even calculate shipping fees. However, if you're planning to scale your e-commerce business, you'll quickly hit limitations. It's more suited for hobby sellers rather than serious entrepreneurs who need robust tools like abandoned cart recovery or multi-channel integration. SEO features are basic but effective. You can edit meta titles, descriptions, and URLs, and the platform generates an automatic sitemap for search engines. However, it lacks more advanced SEO tools, such as keyword tracking or built-in analytics, so you'll need to rely on external tools for in-depth insights. Pricing-wise, Webnode offers a free plan, but it's extremely limited with a Webnode-branded domain. To get a professional-looking website, you'll need at least their limited or standard plan. These paid plans aren't the cheapest on the market, but they do include domain registration and email accounts, which is a plus. In conclusion, Webnode is a solid option for beginners, small businesses, and individuals looking to build a multilingual website without too much hassle. However, if you need more customization, advanced e-commerce features, or modern design elements, you might be better off with more robust builders like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify.